Senate is conducting a probe on the discovery of a submersible drone in Masbate, which is believed to be owned by China. During the hearing, several fisher folk who discovered the drone testified. According to one of the fishermen, at 6 in the morning of December 30th last year, they spotted the drone, which they initially thought was a crocodile.
Nalapitan na namin, nakita ko po na may malaki palang katawan. Kaya binalikan ko po. At nung sinampan na namin, sabi ng kasama ko, bomba pala.
Nakalutang ba siya nung nakita nyo?
Ang lumulutang po ay yung dulo na kulay pula.
Itong pinaka...
Parang antena po.
May antena siya.
Opo.
Okay, nakalutang. Okay, tapos?
Yun, napasampa na po namin.